For over 500 years, handmade Murano glass chandeliers have brought elegance and ambiance to homes around the world. The number of parts might seem overwhelming, however each piece is clearly indicated on the included instruction sheet, and the central pillar, encompassing multiple pieces, is already assembled. The first piece you'll need will be the top canopy, along with the central wire, which we do recommend be installed by an experienced electrician onto the lighting fixture in your ceiling. Next is the central pillar, which you'll see has a long metal tube for the central wire. Also, take note of a metal loop at the top, which will be used to hang the pillar from the canopy. You'll take the central wire and pass it through the tube in the central pillar until it comes out of the other end. Please make sure to hold the central pillar carefully while threading the wire, as the pillar is fragile and contains several components. Next, you'll grab that end and pull it the rest of the way through, so that the pillar is within reach of the chain on the canopy, and secure it to the metal loop noted earlier with the final chain link, while still holding the pillar securely with the other hand. Once secure, pull any remaining slack in the wire to make sure it hangs properly. The metal plate is then secured but to the bottom of the stem, and then each arm fits snugly in the appropriate spaces, threading all wires through and connecting by an electrician. Then the bottom glass piece of the chandelier can be attached. From here, the rest of the decorative glass elements are fit into the metal disc according to the instruction sheet. At this point, all that is left is to attach the glass shades. There is a corresponding number of shades to the arms, and each will be held in place by this metal sleeve, which goes inside the shade and screws over the end of the arm. Hold the shade securely while screwing the sleeve onto the arm, and make sure the connection is tight before releasing the hold. Once assembly is complete, you will have a beautiful new addition to your home that will provide a unique ambiance in the room where it's installed, with every handmade piece lending its own effect to the whole thing. Carefully install the appropriate light bulbs to bring radiant light and the unique touch of Venice, Italy into your lives.